Hey everybody, Citizen Brando here, back with another case review. This time it's for the 16 Pro, and it is the Torras Guardian. Now let's check it out. And welcome to the case review of the Torras Guardian case for your iPhone 16 Pro. Now if you look inside the case, you'll see that there's air pockets inside for 360-degree shock absorption on the inside of the case, all the way around there. On the inside you do have that MagSafe. It is like a velvety texture on the inside, and there is a little bit of some air cushion around the camera to of course help with impact protection when you do drop it face down. I'm not going to try that. And on the sides here you do have very nice buttons, which you can of course change into a different color if you want. I'm not going to change them because I like the black. That's just me. Cutouts, camera control button. So let's put the phone in the case. I always like to hear for a nice little pop in. Ready? Oh yeah, nice and snug. So the first thing we want to look at is the lip protection around the phone. So let's take a look. I do have a tempered glass screen protector, so you could see the lip. From the video you can see there's a beautiful amount of lip. And that's even with a tempered glass screen protector. So you know you can put your phone face down or it can fall face down. You got yourself protected. The sides are nice and smooth. They're not too grippy. I've had Torras cases in the past for my previous iPhones, and over time I know when you use them it starts to get grippier. I don't know, maybe that's just me. I haven't used a Torras case in a little while, but I've had them in the past. And in the beginning it's very silky smooth. It'll turn grippy. The back does of course feel velvety. It feels great in the hand. It does pick up some smudges and some fingerprints, but of course what you can always do is just a little quick wipe. It'll go away. Nothing to worry about. Camera protection is on point. You can't go wrong with that camera lip. Buttons are clicky. Some clicky tactile buttons, and of course your camera control. Do like the way that it feels. It is a little finicky getting used to the camera control button. I'm not going to lie. I am still kind of getting used to it. I'm sure Apple will fix that. Sensitivity, or maybe I need to change the sensitivity, but regardless, your camera control is perfect. It's right there. There's a nice indentation, a nice little groove to slide in and out, so you can't go wrong with that. Now what I do like about this case, and it's just me, it's an aesthetic thing, I like the way that these grooves on the inside of the case that serrate around the camera lip blend in and kind of swoop up around. So like if you drop your phone from an angle like this, or like this, you know, you got that impact protection, but it does reside up a little bit in the corners. It looks great. Kind of reminds me of Batman. I don't know why, but it just does. I feel like if Batman had a phone case, it'll be this case. Same thing at the end here. It kind of lips up. I know they all do that. But this is my first time having a Torras Guardian case. I've had different ones in the past where the design is a little different. I had the P stand. I've had the 360 O stand. Those are fantastic cases with great drop protection, just like this one. This one's just a very minimalistic, doesn't have a stand, but the magnets are just as strong, and you can change, of course, those buttons if you wanted to kind of give a little more customizability to your case. If you wanted to match it with something, you got that option. But all in all, I think this is probably my favorite Torras case to date. If you want this case, I will leave a link in the description below. Definitely check out this case. Right now it is Amazon big Prime Day sale. Right now I'm in Canada, so for me this was 28 bucks. In your country it might be different, but just all in all, if you want something that's nice, it feels good in the hand, you got that drop protection. This is about 12-foot drop protection, So you can't go wrong with that. Feels good, it looks good. But all in all, this is a fantastic case. You can't go wrong for 28 bucks. Link will be in the description. Give me a like and a subscribe, and let me know what you think I should review next in the comments below. Thanks guys, and have a great day.